Wait, what?
So what's up, YouTube?
Sige, i-edit ko lang. Okay. Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Dito pre, malinis dito, malinis
Okay.
dito.
3, 2, 1, go.
So what's up, YouTube? We're back again into the game we called Interliminality. In this game, we don't know,
Ba't nakobad ka te?
ba't mo nilalabas?
Hindi ko alam.
Ba't yung bag mo lumulutang?
Hindi ko alam.
Anong outfit yan, te? Off shoulder.
Beach outfit.
Ito ka oh. Paano ba? Ito ka, alam mo ibig sabihin nito.
Buli ka. Akin.
So, dito na nagtatabog ng ating don't forget to subscribe and higit sa lahat subscribe. So, bye-bye.
Wait lang. Mamaya may cut. Outro.
Okay.
O ito, Mrs. Family rubbing alcohol here. Doktora, 70% isopropyl alcohol. Effective disinfectant. Hindi lang pampamilya, pang-sports!
Expect nyo na lang magsasend ako ng edit mamaya. Tulad ng ginawa ko kay Aaron. No?
Ah,